And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family.
Subscribe button!
What a beautiful view. Happy Friday, guys. Daddy Mike and I are having our morning walks on Friday because we're kids free today. Yeah. Kids free today. So nandito kami ngayon sa Mowbray Park. It's very, very nice here. Super lovely. Mahangin nga lang.
Alrighty. As you can see, Joby's not taking life too seriously. Just heading off to Mowbray Coffee Co. I think it's called. Just want to try a new place. See how we go. Yeah. Nice little surrounds here. As you can see, beautiful.
This is different. I've never seen something like this.
Different?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cute. Anyway, guys, we'll be back in a sec. Just go to order a coffee.
Go ahead. Ganda ng panahon. Buti na lang meron silang ano dito, shade.
Looking for good ones, yeah. My biggest business is rental out for parts.
I super love the setup here.
So private events for them, and then we do the markets for them as well. We do West End and Redwood.
Yeah, nice. What's West End like?
Yeah, good. They're all busy.
Just having hot chocolate now.
Is that more of a farmer's market with
A little bit of a farming market, yeah.
Daddy Mike and I will have our busy day today actually. So before namin i-start yung busy day namin ay mag-ano muna kami mag-coffee kasi kakadrop lang namin sa mga kids natin sa school. So ngayon kami na lang dalawa yung naiwan. So we're going for a, parang dito walk. We'll talk about what we're gonna do, like our plans for today. And then we're gonna do bunnings and all that stuff. So it's gonna be a few things to do today.
Good hot chocolate. Huh?
So Fonzie, Abbott, you reckon they're the busiest at that market?
Oh, it's not even close, man. It's like it's crazy,
Yeah.
and it's constant, like from start to finish. But they've got about 5-6 staff. They've got about 5 or 6 staff working it.
Yeah, think about the cost of that though.
Yeah.
On a, what is it, Saturday or Sunday?
It's on a Saturday.
Morning.
That's a lot of money, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're getting paid, what, $35 an hour, 30?
They'd have to be making profit because they've been doing it there for a long time.
Yeah.
I think they're a bit of an anomaly there. Like, I'm sure the
Well,
others.
they have just a great brand.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Look at this, guys. Daddy is doing the balikbayan box.
Daddy's doing a what? A great job.
Balikbayan box, yeah. While mommy is doing this box here, guys. Gumagawa ako ng bagong box. Kami ni Celine gumawa nito the other day. Write a personal message to your loved ones here. Tingnan yung ginawa ni baby Celine. Anyways, ayan, this like feels very durable. It's good. So the same one here. Dito kami sa garage, guys, kasi kailangan naming linisan ng garage. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, si baby Celine, sinulatan ko ng ganyan. I'm just getting my stuff ready, guys, for Sunday. Kasi ngayong Sunday, ibang market yung pupuntahan ko, which is very exciting. Kasi yung market na normally pinupuntahan ko, parang sila ang tawag dito. Kasi you have to purchase the ticket beforehand. And naubusan ako, guys. So sabi ko, okay, so I'll have a free Sunday this coming Sunday. And then I realized na may isang market pala na nag-approach sa akin last time. And also, they're not far from here, guys. Malapit sila sa opisina ni Daddy Mike. And they are open not every Sunday, but every second Sunday. So, tamang-tama kasi this Sunday, open sila. And I purchased a stove. So, doon tayo magbibenta this Sunday, guys. And niready ko lang yung ating mga paninda. So, we've got these play button-up shirts. I have another one in black. And then it's... Oh, my goodness. Not a good idea. I've got another one in a different size. So this is medium. The first one is small. And yeah, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga bit-bit ni mami nyo for this coming Sunday. So this is super cute. This is Lanvin. Yan. Ang kanyang brand. Alam kong it's getting warmer na dito sa Brisbane, but dito naman siya ay manipis. So it's okay. Very nice. And alam niyo ba, pag ginagawa ko to, parang nag-live selling. Nire-ready ko na yung self ko for live selling, guys. I really wanna do live selling ASAP. And here's a dress from Shake. It's a beautiful dress. It's another dress. More dresses tayo ngayon kasi spring na siya and it's really warm. So perfect. And my dress is also from Shake, guys. And then it's another Shake. Yeah. Mommy loves prints, guys. I love prints, especially like big prints. It's my thing. And this one here, never ko to silang dinala, guys, doon sa isang market na pinupuntahan ko. But this one, itong market na pupuntahan ko ngayon, more sila yung high-end. So, bibit-bitin ko yung mga unique and premium pieces natin. So this one here is Prada A-line midi dress. Nylon to siya, guys. So, kakaiba siya. Got pocket on both sides. That's Prada, made in Italy in size 40. Yeah. This one. I never used this one. Pambenta talaga ito siya. Bonggang pambenta. And then, what else? Oh, we've got Dolce and Gabbana. Blazer. Nasa ilalim ay leopard print. Nice. And one here is the Cuba. This is like Australian brand, and it's got like tag still with it. But this is a trench coat, pero crop siya na trench coat. So it's gonna be like super nice. And many more, guys. Sobrang excited kong magbenta ngayong Sunday. Kasi apart from, like a different environment, we'll meet more, like new people. Kasi doon sa pinupuntahan ko, like I've earned, parang magkakilala na kami ba? Pag pupunta sila doon, yung mga nagsha-shop na every Sunday, parang nagkakamukhaan na kami. And this time, maybe, like new, like different people. So, exciting. I know it's only Friday, guys, but nire-ready ko na to siya kasi bukas magiging busy na kami. May birthday party kaming pupuntahan. And it's better na ready na ang lahat para pagdating ng Sunday, ay diretso na. Okay, I'm just gonna take them downstairs. And it's another bag to bring. I've got my Fendi baguette. Mama baguette in black color. Kili bag. There. So this is something na and abangan din doon. It's that time of the day. we are going to pick up Ate Paris from school, guys. Maglalakad kami. Kasi, we'll take Louis so he can also have fresh air and enjoy din niya yung labas. It's a beautiful day today. You'll never see any clouds, guys. Napaka-warm. Uy! Oh, that's funny, boy.
Wrong? Huh?
Yeah, like yours.
What?
Like yours.
No, I don't have hair in my outfit. What's the garden?
Good boy, Louis.
Stay there.
See, there's lots of cars, see? Dangerous.
Shit boy.
Yeah.
It's okay.
We'll wait for the light to turn green.
Yeah. Come on.
There you go. Good job.
Sit.
I love you so much! We're getting pizza for dinner, guys. But unfortunately, busy sila. So, wala na daw mauupuan. Sabi ko kay Daddy Michael, just do a takeaway. We can take it home. Andun sila, Daddy with the girls. Dito na ako maghintay sa sasakyan. So, currently, 6:10 ng gabi.
Swap.
Stop. I can't open it.
Do you want to play, Mummy, or do you want...
Nah, I'm all good.
Sister, I want some Risto.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Sa
Stop. Let's take this one. Watch first. Oh, so really heavy.
pipiliin kong makisaya.
That's why it's big.
We have our dinner, guys. I've got Hawaiian pizza. This is my favorite. Oh, and I should make coffee. Is that pepperoni, Daddy? Yes. Yummy.
You happy, Ate? You happy, Selene? Good pizza?
Yeah. I could too.
Wait.
Go into the plate. Okay, when you get ice cream, how much is it? Just go in
What is it,
the
ah?
plate. When you get ice cream, how much is it?
5 minutes.
Oh, Mommy, you fall down. Where are you gonna die? Where are you gonna get the ice cream from? I don't know. Where are you gonna get it from?
The top.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Very much joy.
Nene, how's your day, Baba? Good. Naligo ko na tong dalawa, guys, oh. No, so good. Yung buhok ng baby Selena ay very smooth sa likuran. Kasi alam niyo ba, lagay-lagay ng conditioner, hindi man binanlawan. Kalami, hindi mo inday. Put that away, please. Put that in there.
Pizza.
So I've been busy folding clothes, guys, naglaba, and then hanging clothes outside. And now I'm just gonna put these two girls to bed. It's getting late, and Ate Paris got bukas.
We're going to school
Gymnastics
later.
bukas. We're going to do a quick shout out to our lovely titas and titos. Sa mga hindi nagsasawang sumuporta sa ating mga vlogs. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. So gusto natin para siya yung mabasa ng shoutout natin. So again, it's going to be like really interesting kasi hindi namin nababasa yung mga pangalan. Uy, yung nakalagay man is mga user number, yung iba. Shout out to
Belina.
shout out to Jamila Kawaja, G. Alcera. Your turn.
Mercy Marito.
Magdalena Risolis. Shout out to Carmen Lu. Shout out to Rose Claby, Lolita La Cuesta, Elsa Serrano,
Lunin Puma.
George Plaxton,
George Plaxton.
Dolly Don,
Dolly John.
Ashik Live,
Ashik Live.
Lenny Langit,
Lenny Langit.
and Irene Aliperio.
And Aries.
Good job. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family.
Subscribe button.
And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Subscribe button.
if you
Be
can't,
careful. Be careful.